Hi, so I've just discovered how to do the river, to blend the river with the lakes. It's not great, but it's a starting point. So I'm just going to go through all these rivers and see if I can get them looking a bit better at least. Like I say, as a starting point. That should be it. Nope, that's not it. Oh, that's because I'm on the lake. Dang. So let me just try and rub that out. And if I paint it like that, I should rub it out. Right. Yeah, so I need to get on the river. I don't know why them pop-up things there, and I need to get rid of them. Right, so I can perhaps change these colours when I've done this. I'll leave it like that for now and see if I can change this, get rid of this blue, make it a bit darker. Oh, hang on a minute, I've got a bit more than that. Yeah, because I'll leave that as a starting point. Like I say, I'll leave that for now and that's a large lake. I'm going to get rid of that pale blue like I said a bit later. So blend size. Oh, I see where it is. So why is that not? Well, it doesn't look too bad as it is. I don't know. Yeah, well, that's not painting. I'm going to return to the previous one that wouldn't paint. Well, because it wouldn't paint. See if I can. Oh, that's too big. If I can get them something light though. Like I say, these things never do exactly what it says on tin. Come on, paint. Yeah, there you go. I figured if you keep going, it sometimes does it. I'll paint the other things a bit later. I'm going to duplicate one of these, save it, and then mess about with it. Learn how to do it properly. Learn how to copy the flow of the river in. But if I can get it just so it's something like, and it's not an obvious. I mean, there is there with that blue brand. Like I say, I'm going to change that blue to a darker so it'll blend more. I think that's it. We'll just go around the lakes. Well, there's the top of this one. This one here. Paint. I'll go 2 and 2. I'm happy at that. I've had some blocks there, but I'm gonna not tempt fate. I'm going to get myself a coffee after I've saved this. Then I'm going to try changing the colour of the river, see if it blends better. I'll be with you back in a few seconds. So I've just been trying to paint this and it's not having it. So I'm hoping that changing this colours may blend it in better. Excuse me. So I need to go to the lake. Excuse me. The large lake. Find the material. Shallow and deep. Go back to the river. What was that? Shallow. Oh, I don't think this is going to make much difference. Possibly this one though. Deep. Oh, there you go. Bob's your granddad. I can live with that. Let's just have a skirt through all the rest of the lake. In fact, that's pretty much perfect. Should have probably done that before I did the others. It probably would have worked out better. Yeah, that's better. That's okay. I don't think this has got a river. No, this one's got a river though. Got a bit of a thing here. Have you got that rock? No. I'll put something there, put a bush there or something. It's a small one. Big swamp. No river. That's a small swamp. Castle pond. That's perfect. Oh, what's that? I think that's in the thing. I think that's natural, that. Naturally part of that. Yeah. I better actually. Nah, sorry, I'm going to get rid of it. Brush size 14. What's that? 8. Yeah, that's okay. And that's okay. That's the extra large one at the bottom that we started with. Right, so that's good enough. In the next one, I'm going to have a look at the flow, see if I can make it flow a bit better into this river, into this lake. so you can see the flow. Right, until then, I'll catch you next time. Bye for now.